Good morning all, Jeff Hale here with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today we're going to do some fourth axis or rotary work on our laser. So what I'm going to show you today is how to align the actual cup itself to the laser bed. So anytime we have a cup like this, what we want to look for is we want to look to see if one side is bigger than the other. This one's really not. However, if you look real closely, this end is just a tiny bit bigger. So we're going to want that bigger end to be towards the left. So we're going to start it by this. As you can see, our back rollers aren't quite hitting it. So we're just going to take these two clamps and bring them in a little bit. And then set it right there so that the entire thing is on the rotor. We want to make sure that this cup is all the way to the left. Then we have a handy dandy little level here. So we're going to set that level on our engraving area. And then we'll just turn that up a little bit until right is up, left is down. So we're just turning that right side up a little bit so our bubble is about the center. And then on the left side, the laser head, you see that little flick down? So that's actually a height controller. So now what we're going to do is go to our joystick. We'll bring our head over to about the center. And then back on the control panel, we're going to go to our height adjustment right here. And we're going to bring that bed up. So it just touches it. So you can see that it just touched it. I'm going to go back to my joystick and I'm just going to slide it left and right. See if I've got the same friction, which it looks like I do. So that's what we're looking for. I'm going to flip this back up. It's just a little magnet that holds it, and then just park it. Park our axis. Well, we're all taken care of. We're ready to rock and roll.